Hi, Leo. Let me see your haircut. Did you get a haircut today? Wow. First time haircut with clippers. And you did so good. And what did you get?
A Toro Loco.
Yes, for being such a good boy with your haircut. And is El Toro Loco a remote control car?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Where's your controller? Here he goes. Whoa! Jumping!
Yes, go for it.
Yeah, he flips on his side. Let's see him go. Wow, look at the flames in the bag. Whee! He made it. Whoa! Okay. Let me see his little horns. Let me see his horns. Wow. They move up and down. That's cool. Wow, he looks funny. Look at his teeth on the side, and then his flames coming out of his nose, and he has a nose ring in the front. You see that? That's a nose ring. That's funny. He's like a bull. All right, let's race some more.
Good job.
Whoa, he flipped. You okay, El Toro Loco?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
He's okay.
He's okay. You think he can make it up? Let's see. Oh, he's slow. He's making it. All the way up. Now he's going back down. He made it. He's strong, Leo. Right? Whoa, he flipped over, but he keeps going.
He's okay when you have speed.
That's good. Doing a wheelie? Wow. That's pretty cool. How did you figure that out?
I have to figure out to tip him over.
Oh, okay.
Get a wheelie.
Oh, let's see that again.
Okay.
Whoa. Very cool, buddy. Whoa. Don't let him jump from too high, Leo. Because remember what happened to our last monster truck, right? The monster dairy delivery that lost the wheel. Hopefully we don't lose a wheel on that one. Here he comes again. You need to tow him?
No,
No?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Let's see if he's gonna stand on wheels this time.
Alrighty.
See?
Here he comes. Jump! Whoa! Nice.
I think that now he's okay this time.
Okay, good.
Look at the flatbed truck, see?
Yeah, that's right. Yep.
Back over there.
Whoa! Yeah. I did see it. That was pretty cool.
Yes!
Too big.
Whoa!
Whoa! Okay, and he keeps going. And then he crashed into the wall.
Yeah, right?
You're all sweaty, Leo. You've been running around.
I'm going to drag him on here, man.
Okay, let's try that.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Up. Oh no, he can't make it. Help him. Whoa! He's taking these big tumbles and falls, but he's still okay, right? A
Yes!
little scratched up in the front. Let me see. Oh yeah, a little bit. But so far, it's holding up well.
He's holding up well.
Oh, yeah.
Good jumping again. What are you yelling?
Yeah, we should take bets how long this will last. Or what breaks off first. Which wheel do you think will break off first? This one or the front? Or the back?
Or this one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you flipped. All right, you done?
Yes.
Did you have fun with El Toro Loco?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you think? A thumbs up? I think he did good, right? And he's not broken, so. Oh, look at the tires. Wheels are still on. Still going. All right, let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time. You have a great little car.
Yes.